Feeling confident in your own skin is essential for positive self-image, and a little beauty transformation can go a long way in boosting your self-confidence. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some beauty tips that can boost your confidence. So let's get right into this video. Firstly, always start with skincare routine, that is by cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying of sunscreen. But I use primer to create a smooth base for my makeup if only I want to apply or wear makeup. I apply this primer before wearing my makeup because it helps my makeup to last longer throughout the whole day. Another important tips is finding the right foundation shade for your skin, because it makes a world of difference in how your makeup looks and how confident you feel in wearing it. For natural confidence boosting look, I love using neutral eyeshadow palette and mascara, and I love making my lips look glossy, and I feel ready for the day. You can go for fluttering lip colors, whether bold red or nude. Just know that finding the right lipstick can instantly boost your self-confidence and pull your whole look together. Another thing is taking care of your hair. Make sure you find a hairstyle that can make you look beautiful and make you feel confident at all times. I hope that my few tips inspire you to pamper yourself and embracing your natural beauty for you to stand out confident and bold. Thanks for watching this video, and kindly do subscribe if you are new here. Kindly subscribe to this channel to join this beautiful family, and you'll never regret doing so, and expect more from me. I love you all. Like, comment, and share my video. Bye.